Lostock Hall Station, built 1846 by the Blackburn and Preston Railway. Almost immediately taken over by the East Lancashire Railway. Located in the South Ribble borough of Lancashire, just under 3 miles south of Preston, Lostock Hall Station was originally on the other side of Watkin Lane until it closed on the 6th of October 1969. The current station location was opened by British Railways in May 1984 after considerable local pressure and backing from Lancashire County Council. Annual passenger numbers are currently at 44,550. By 1877, traffic demands had reached the point that a 2-road depot adjacent to the junction was deemed inadequate for Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway, and work began on a much larger facility. This was built immediately south of the station, and it opened in 1881, with the old depot becoming a carriage and wagon siding and repair shop. Previously 24C, Lostock Hall Shed 10D was a busy location and would remain so right up to the end of steam